35.1.
Allow me to at least finish
No, because
something.
if I succeed, my lords, they all will go down in the list.
Nothing will happen.
My submission is ineligible candidate.
First of all, to handle
Now, Lord, there is this.
petitioners more than petitioner and respondent.
Well, the only point which I am saying is, which I had pointed out to my lords,
Wo-
was the ineligible candidates, my lords, who are called for the entire, they've been.
It is sometimes said that हम भी डूबेंगे और तुम्हें भी. So this is the position. This is the position where we are now finding ourselves, my Lord.
But
And Lord, all this while I am absolutely silent.
Yes.
not only you are silent, but you are saying that
So kindly let me put.
always contempts are like a tail wagging the dog.
Correct.
So through the tail, you want the whole case to revive.
And people who are not parties are coming. All kinds of things are happening. So your Lordship may kindly see.
Contempt jurisdiction as if it's the original case.
Yeah. So just kindly have that order, my Lord, of 19th May.
You will perhaps delegate them to
19th May order.
What are you aggrieved against?
So I'll tell your Lordships.
Aggrieved against
I'll tell your Lordships.
subsequent, when is this prescription
My Lord, your Lordship
being
may-
brought about?
Your Lordship may just.
60%, where is it brought about? Just show
Yes,
me.
yes, yes.
And
So
where is the reference to that 60% in the impugned judgment? So straight away that.
yes,
That
yes.
60% part of it show in the judgment.
I am not on any 60.
That is how, that is.
Qualifying standard.
Good.
Qualifying standard. Yes. My Lord, that the learned judge, the author of the judgment, himself has made an order on 19th May. Please read that order with me. I have nothing more to say beyond that order. 19th May order, my Lord. Please read that order with me. 19th May order, in the a number of applications were
In your compilation, page 7, Mr. Patwalia,
in my compilation.
ask me.
It's not mine. Actually, I have just submitted 4-page submissions.
You gave us this right.
Yes.
You gave us this. It's
Yes.
there.
19th May. So kindly have that order at internal page 7, para 13. The opening of the order is also important, my Lord, because all those other IAs by people who were not parties were all rejected.
10 of the compilation.
So it is at starts at page 10 of the compilation.
कौन सा पेज चाहिए?
Internal para 13, internal page 7.
You started intent, contempt. petition.
Yes, yes. Now these are the contempts which are now
Wait a minute.
coming up before your Lordships today.
Yes.
We sometimes wonder.
My Lord is.
Please go ahead.
My Lords, the instant contempt petitions have been filed alleging non-compliance of judgment dated 30th January 2025, passed in civil appeal number so and so. Contempt petition number 59613 of 25 has been filed inter alia. That's the one we are arguing. Inter alia contending that candidates who were in reserve category having higher merit and were required to be migrated under the unreserved category as per the advertisement have wrongly been put in the reserve category merit list. That's the case.
That's
For
different
appreciating,
from what arises today.
same thing, exactly this very contempt. Now what happened by this order was, your Lordships held that we have a case, we have to be migrated, and they were given time to comply. Now they have filed an affidavit opposing. Anyway, that's my reading of the order.
Saying that you can't be taken there in that category for the reason that we are not expressing an opinion. Correct if we are wrong. For the reason that you have to, even when you migrate, be abiding by the requirement of that category, which is that 60%.
Yes, that's the reason.
We don't know how they have introduced it, in which manner they have introduced it, but that is the ground for them
Yes,
to
yes,
exclude you.
yes.
That's the short point.
There is one
Now
other
we are
thing.
we will ask them straight away.
No, one more, one line.
About that.
My Lord, one line more. When the judgment came initially, they complied with the judgment. In compliance of the judgment, we were migrated in the general category. We found our name in the merit list of the general category. They called us for counseling. They counseled us allocated districts. Only the physical handing over of appointment or joining place of posting was left. Then their education department, relying on Delhi, told them, no, you can't do it.
All that was not part of our order here.
Correct.
This is a subsequent development.
No.
So we will ask them under what basis they have done it.
Yes. May I read one?
There is some semblance of that. If it is a deception,
That is recorded in this order.
if it is a deception, then it's a
The
different
basis is recorded in this order. Just let me read it quickly. For appreciating, just see para 15. For appreciating the scope of the contempt petition within the purview of the directions, it is necessary to refer to the directions issued in the impugned judgment passed in the aforesaid civil appeal. Now, direction number 2, last 3 lines are, and the appointment shall be made strictly on merit. Then your lordship may turn over to para 16. It has been brought to our notice that under the advertisement, para 19 governs the preparation of merit list based on the main examination, with a stipulation that marks obtained in the mother tongue subject shall only be qualifying, where the candidate to obtain 30%. Only after obtaining such marks shall be checked, etc. This is not relevant. Then your lordship may come to para 17. Clause 4 to 6 of para 19 of the advertisement are relevant. Now 4 your lordship needs to read. In case reserve category candidate comes in the merit list prepared for unreserved post on the same criteria.
When did they call you for the interview?
After the judgment came, the merit list was
What's the
made.
date of the judgment?
The date of the judgment is 30th January 2025. We were put in the select list on 4 dates.
No, now use that. Now they have excluded you. The latest
Yes,
one, what is
yes,
the date of that?
yes. So the date of inclusion is July and August.
Results came on the 18th of July 2025 to 12th of August 2025.
Perfect. That's the date when we were included.
Okay.
Then we
Now
were called for. Now exclusion happens from 30th August 25 to 26 September 25. 30th August 25 to 26 September 25. This is page 268, 269 of my contempt. Now, my lord, what I want to read is para 8.
Excluded, what happened?
Then we filed this contempt after we were excluded. Now, please see para 18.
25. You were excluded from August
2025. Just, can I just turn this page? So, the contempt is of 25, my lord. We have been, contempt is filed immediately thereafter. This order is also, my lord, of 19th of May. This is dated. 26. My lord, your lordship.
19th May 26 is the...
Yes, your lordship needs to read 2 paras. Please read para 18 with me. Nothing more needs to be argued after this. As per para 19.4, your lordships have interpreted. As per para 19.4, reserve candidates who come in the merit list prepared for unreserved post shall be included in the merit wise if their marks are above the unreserved candidate. Therefore, the migration of a candidate of a reserve category who secured higher marks is permitted to the unreserved category. This is a finding recorded by the same court which rendered the judgment. Now, what were they to do? My friend has filed a detailed reply. Please see what they were to do. Please now have with me last line of para 22 and 23. Because they are now raising, we have not made party, etc. Court has dealt with that. Para 22, last line beginning with therefore. Merit list was required to be redrawn if necessary, and the commission is required to answer about the status of contempt petitioners who are alleging non-compliance of the directions where the list was required to be prepared strictly in accordance with merit. Now 22 is very crucial. It is needless to observe that in all categories, vacancies are available. Therefore, the plea of non-availability of vacancy is not germane to the extent if a candidate secures more marks than the minimum qualifying marks as prescribed. We are about 400, 500. There are 11,000 vacancies. Now see what affidavit they were to file. Para 25.
No, there is simultaneous issue of migration chances also required in this matter. We direct the commission to file a fresh reply.
Now,
It has been filed.
now just 1 minute, 1 minute. Please have para 25. I want to read. What were they to file?
Your Lordship's paragraph 24 also, since Your Lordship...
All right,
on that
24 also. Simultaneously, issues of migration is required to be explained. Then kindly have the next page. In this view of the matter,
Explained in the
Quite
reply.
clear. Explained.
can you... And now, further, in this view of the matter, we direct the commission to file a fresh reply indicating compliance in terms of the observations made herein above in the light of the main directions within a period of 4 weeks.
So then you have to simultaneously issue the migration observed by so-and-so is required to be explained. Where have you explained?
In the reply, we've explained.
Where is that?
Your Lordship sits in the reply, and also the
Where
submissions
is
have
that?
been
Where is
filed.
that? What have you replied?
They have filed, can I just point out the reply?
Your Lordship, it
Mix
is
हो गया सारा।
17/7/26.
I'll just pick it up and take it this.
Arguments
Just
was
pick it.
filed in the matter.
19/5/96
Yeah.
Supreme Court directed
submissions were filed on 13/8/26, 5-page
What you just now read is virtually a notice in the content petition and ask you to file a reply. Where is your reply? Just give us the relevant portion.
Now, common reply is filed. I'll take your lordships to that. Kindly have the common reply. Where they are talking about us is at page 14 of the reply. Kindly have the common reply at page 14. 3 pages are relevant. 14, 15, 38.
I think
Because-
your lordship had given the submissions, I think, you've been handed.
The reply is a little thicker. It is about 100 and...
It's a 17th July reply, sir.
I will reply.
156 pages.
17 July reply.
Page 26 है.
No, no,
Third-
17
No
July.
table, counter.
No. Common reply on staff selection commission is 23rd January 26.
No.
No, sir, 17th.
17th
May के
July
बाद
after
ना, may के बाद वाला reply
the
देखो।
order there is compliance.
All right.
What is the date?
That is a shorter reply. The
July, Your Lordship.
real reply is earlier.
What have you said, sir? Mr. Patwalya, what do they say about it?
My lord, could your lordship,
It has
they
321 pages.
they say, I'll tell you lord,
Yes,
they say
321.
our education department told us in compliance of the Delhi judgment of Pradeep Kumar, you cannot do it. Anybody who has an age concession, anybody who has taken any kind of concession in fee, he cannot be migrated. That is their stand. And that stand they have given in the impugned circular changing it also. If your lordship will,
They gave a circle.
the main, if your lordship will kindly have,
No, what we have is only an affidavit that they have filed, is it?
correct.
Sure, sir.
Now just kindly see the main contempt page 352, P3.
वो reply पढ़ा भी page 11 में bottom, page 12.
Bhaskar Prasad, point 1.
I was looking at the other reply.
Yeah.
ये वो वाला.
The same point.
मोटा है,
same
300 page का.
Same points were taken by them in their January reply. Same points.
300
To which May order.
Huh?
So how can you repeat the
So,
same
my lord, their January reply says the same thing. After that, the May order comes, and now they have filed a reply saying the same thing again.
They are repeating it.
How can they repeat it? Actually, they were to comply.
Mr. Dwivedi, what is your stand now after the Supreme Court said at para 24 that Simon, the issue of migration observed in 1904 is also required to be explained. Court has virtually said that migration is permissible. How is it stopping
Can I
them?
just before he
How are you
responds,
stopping them?
just before he responds, just one sentence I want. In that compilation which your lordship is seeing, which is my compilation, just see page 4. Page 4. The proof of the pudding is there.
Page 2.
You see the table at the top, my lords? Table at the top. Because they are misinterpreting the migration, the cutoff for unreserved.
Pradeep Kumar is earlier judgment. Yeah?
Yes.
Pradeep Kumar is a Delhi judgment. Your lordship has considered it.
Chaya applies on all four. Just see page 4 for a minute.
Completely covered by
Just
Chaya,
one minute.
1904.
One minute. Mr. Page 4. These are the cutoffs as they stand today. Your lordship have it?
Yes.
My lord Justice Narasimha have it? Page 4. Math and science unreserved cutoff 188.64. Backward classes cutoff 261. Backward classes 2 is 226. Please see social studies, intermediate, because they're not servicing the migration. If they'd simply, as per 1904, service the migration, we would have all have been through.
The point
They
is,
are asking
Yes.
for 60%. That's the where do you get
Yeah.
that? Show us that. Where
yes.
is your-
That
where is
my
your
lord.
explanation.
But just see the main.
Just
Just one.
give them. We
All
are just asking them. Just explain to us.
Your Lordship, this 60% criteria is
No, where have you mentioned? From where have
Yes,
you brought
yes,
the
very-
60%? From out of the blue.
Your lordship, if I may explain, in the advertisement, one of the necessary education, I'm for the commission, your lordship, one of the necessary educational qualification is to have JTIT. Now, JTIT is governed by the JTIT rules of Jharkhand, which are earlier to the advertisement 2012 rules. In that very advertisement, if you don't have 60% in JTIT, you cannot qualify for UR in JTIT. And if you are, say, 52%, then you will qualify in the other categories if you are a person of the reserved category. So this is not a new condition which has been imported in the
Then in
advertisement.
general candidates.
There's
who are
nothing in the advertisement about this.
lesser than 60%
This is
who have been
classic
taken.
Chaya.
Yes, and they have been
was the same
excluded.
situation.
They have been excluded. Similarly,
Any persons in the general category who have got lesser than 60% but have been considered?
no, they have been excluded. Similarly, the reserved category candidates,
All
yes,
general candidates were
yes, who
excluded.
did not have 60% have been excluded.
Lord, we-
Similarly, the reserved category candidate who had 60% and met all other criteria have been included in the unreserved category.
Lord,
We have
what-
indicated that in our
These are
report.
all, are you saying that these are all persons
Yes.
who are in the reserved category but now are permitted by the judgment of the Supreme Court to participate in the second of the migration to in the general category, but are all of them having less than 60%?
Please. And those
But
who have 60%, we have
there are
considered.
reserved categories persons who have more than 60% that you have already considered.
Yes.
That's the
That is-
point.
that is-
Where have you said this? And when
Chaya
have you-
covers this.
My lord, point is,
Where have you
Chaya
said
covers
that-
this completely. Point, what she's saying is, to qualify in
No,
Jharkhand
one minute.
TET,
You're just asking,
Show that
when
point.
did you take this decision? How did you apply this? And where exactly is this?
this
progress-
decision is a very old decision, or this has been taken by,
Some answer.
If your lordships have page 15 of my reply, paragraph number 24.
Yही
it-
point है.
Chaya covers precisely this.
Chaya is exactly this.
Chaya says it's an eligibility criteria, no
Chaya
question
is
of bringing it
exactly
in
this.
backdoor
This is
entry.
exactly in the phase
Lordship,
of
there is also a state government.
Totally.
about 350 to 400.
Ago,
And thousands of posts are vacant.
How long,
Yes.
how many of them are there here?
Here, totally. We have
No, maybe 300, 400 people.
300,
About 400 and odd people total.
500 maybe, 500.
कितने हैं? Where is that?
हमारा साया में 50
Acha,
So if you to take now at this stage,
Please, your lordship.
this argument
Yes.
may have, but then you have gone past the stages where
That's-
you should have taken.
exactly.
You have gone past. It may be. It makes sense. It makes sense because the entirety of those category of persons must stand on the same footing. But once they migrate, they can't now claim higher. But then you have gone past that stage for
Your lordships, if I may only point out one circular of the state government, which is also at page 234, and in my reply I've mentioned it at page 15. Page 234 is the translated copy.
all this was argued before the bench when they issued the contempt.
No, your lordship,
Yes,
we
yes,
were asked
yes.
to explain.
It's
We have
there.
explained it in our
No,
reply.
it's the
This clause 19.4 was just shown to them. Your lordship.
And an
wanted-
explanation
Your
was
lordship
provided.
wanted to have the detail of what all step has been taken. That is why he has given a specific direction that you find afresh.
Please read the order, my lord.
the January affidavit, same points were taken. January affidavit.
The order is made, just 1 minute. We can't go like this.
Brother Chandurkar would have heard you, all of you.
Please see the January affidavit. Kindly see their January affidavit, which was there when the contempt order was passed. Please see that affidavit. In fact, I want to show that affidavit. Please see that affidavit at page 14. Kindly take out the affidavit of the Jharkhand Public Service Staff Selection Commission filed on 30th January. It's an affidavit of 156 pages. And in the face of that affidavit,
They have taken this plea.
yes, in the face, this is the
Taken this plea.
only this plea.
No, 60% is not taken by them there also.
It is.
60%.
Yes, it is taken. It is taken. At page 38 onwards. Yes.
No, that's Pradeep.
Oh, no.
We have further explained it with reference to circular.
60% honest.
Lordship, that has.
I don't think 60 is.
It is. Just one.
No, 60 is a new point.
Your lordship, that is the factual situation.
No.
The court wanted us to.
You tell us how many of them are there today.
They are saying that there are almost 350, your lordship. That's a huge number, your lordship.
Posts are vacant in thousands.
This criteria is diluted, or because once some changes are being made in this
Did
criteria.
your affidavit, did you just show us your affidavit that they are trying
Yes.
to say?
There is-
That you've
there
taken the
is
plea.
One more thing, your lordship. All those
Go on,
persons,
do it
all
in
those
instant
persons
please.
removed and not here.
Kindly have.
Please appreciate the difficulty. One is paragraph 18 of the order dated 18th May, where this court, a bench of this court has held that the migration is permissible. Another one is the judgment rendered by this court in Chaya.
Lordship.
So this is the marks obtained in that examination is only qualifying.
Correct.
Actually,
So therefore-
the Chaya is not applicable. Pradeep is applicable here because this is a case where a specific bar is already provided.
That is what you have said in your written submission, but para 18 of this order dated 19.5, what will you do with this?
Your
Correct.
lordship, if I,
19.5.
your lordship, if I may submit, para 18 cannot
para-
said to be in my respectful submission.
This is an order to the
Can I
court.
complete that sentence?
In my respectful submission, your lordship, it is at best a tentative view because we were asked to explain it. We were asked to explain it. We have explained it. And we have explained it with reference to a 2012 circular which
Let
prohibited.
the officers appear, my lords, if this is the
What is
position.
your, okay, now we'll hear to Rahul. We are tentatively of the opinion that the issue has attained its finality
Yes.
as indicated in paragraph 18 of the order. You can't go back on that. You will have to comply with the directions as provided in paragraph 19.4. That's it.
Grateful.
Your Lordship.
And just
Your Lordship.
that 60% point, you will not find it in the January affidavit. I've just gone through it again. It's not there at all, not a whisper. Each time we move this, they come up with some new
Not
stand.
January. 17th July have they said it?
Yes.
They have. Now they have. After the May order, they've decided we'll pull out something else from the hat.
January, they say they have qualified with relaxed standard.
Once the explanation is there, now
Each time to defeat us, they come up with something new.
Right.
it cannot be said that you not.
Okay, now we'll hear Rahul and we'll close this.
We are 53 of us. The issue before my issue, mine was the first contempt filed, my lords. The issue in my matter is, my lords, that when the advertisement was issued, it had 3 criteria.
No, if we say, we're just asking you, will all of you not be covered under the
If
sea?
they can accommodate the
No. Their case is different.
They have already filed a writ petition in High Court.
that can allow me to address my lords. My
No,
lords,
wait a minute. Let us first of all complete this, then we'll come to.
My lord, my friend's case is completely different. It has nothing to do with our case.
On the aspect of migration,
Just-
may not say, Your Lordship.
Your lordship may close these matters and then hear him.
On the aspect of migration, Your Lordship, when the court directed us to give explanation, we have explained. Now this having explanation come on board, Your Lordship. Now Your Lordship is requested to take a view.
2012 का नोटिफिकेशन है प्रोहिबिटिंग
वही तो
पेज 234.
Affidavit
If Your Lordship make-
clear.
if Your Lordship
Yourself.
if Your Lordship
Speed up yourself and you
if Your Lordship
tied up yourself
if
in
Your
knots.
Lordship kindly just have a look at page
Or at least
234, Your
rectify it from next year, what to do? Heavens are not going to fall, what will happen?
Your Lordship.
Number of reserve candidates, that's all.
Just have a look at this notification at page
It will
234.
be general candidates will go down. General candidates who have 60% and who will be eligible
Your Lordship,
will unfortunately go down.
No.
Your
You will have
His
these
Lordship, even unreserved category candidates.
But they have vacancies.
Same. Will go out.
It cannot be that those who are here alone can give any preference.
Yes, we have to call everybody. It's not just because.
Yes.
No, because Your Lordship, if that criteria of 60% is going to be diluted, then whosoever has been impacted because many
There is
have-
nobody else. They are all here.
You got it, merit.
How can they say that, Your Lordship, that there is nobody else? Please have a look at page 234, Your Lordship. Just have a look.
Sure, sir. Then we will relegate all of you to the High Court. 130?
Page 234 of the 17th July 2026 common reply, Your Lordship. The Hindi subject clarification regarding exemption and concession available to the
Vacancy.
candidate of SC, ST backward classes.
Madam, how many vacancies are there?
Even 100 or 11,000.
Did Lordship get it?
11,000.
Yes, 234.
Now the bottom paragraph,
And में leak हो रहा है.
to office memorandum number so and so dated 8/9/90
They have not conducted 7.
8/9/93 dated 1st July 1998 of the Ministry of Personal Public Grievance Pension Government of India. The state government is satisfied that those candidates of reserve category who are selected on the basis of standard prescribed for general candidate shall not be adjusted against reserve vacancy. In other words, when the selection of the reserve vacancy candidate is made by providing exemption concession in upper age limit, experience, educational qualification, number of attempt to
And 20.
This is absolutely wrong.
20.
This is a letter against the law.
2012.
It is a 2012.
Argued this matter before the court.
2012 letter.
You argued this
2012
matter.
letter.
After Chaya.
Yeah, our question you should hear. When you argued this matter before the bench of Maheshwari and Chandurkar on 19th May when they passed this order, did you raise all these pleas?
Yeah.
Did you raise all these pleas? Or you are raising for the first time now after the...
First time now.
First time.
Did you raise this plea about the 60%, about this rule and other things?
May I just answer to your lordship? When the rules were shown to the court, your lordship, the court said that okay, you find a better and detailed reply and give explanation of whatever you are saying. Now, in by way of the explanation, we have filed all this. So, for the first time, that is coming before your lordship.
Enforcement of our order, yes.
Because this is the direction of the 19th May. Because this is the direction.
Only to implement.
Order, your lordship. In the absence of these material before then, your lordship, the court could not have taken any view. Now they are before your lordship, and I beseech your lordship to take a view.
About what all you argued, what you are saying is that did you raise these two pleas which you are taking now
Lordship.
by way of after the Supreme Court
No,
order?
unequivocally no.
Your Lordship, only the submission of the petition.
I have one other very basic issue.
Tentative view was taken. We were asked to reply.
Lord, I have one-
explain my question.
That was the okay, we will ask you. इसको बोलते हैं चंद्रकर के सामने लगाने. We will ask it to be placed before Justice Chandorkar. He was there, part of it.
My lord, I have a very basic submission here.
Let's write down like this. Because much argument is advanced on the basis of, but prima facie, according to us, the paragraph 18 and paragraph 94 actually covers the issue.
My lord,
Nothing
just
just
one
followed by
minute.
charge.
Before your lordship makes the order, can I just say two sentences? 1 minute. So far as this 2012 order is concerned, which says that if you have qualified TET in the relaxed standard, you cannot migrate.
Our judgment
It
also
is-
there, Mr. Patna.
Yes, it is against that, number one. Number two,
Let it be.
today there are 11,000 posts lying vacant. We are 400 people. They are just contesting, just for the sake of contesting. They included us. They included us and then sought to exclude us.
Much argument
one
is
last.
advanced about what has been argued before a bench comprising of honorable.
You get a detag. You detag it.
On 19/5,
So you get a detag.
2025. The 2026 it is submitted after
Get a
the,
detag.
Because when you
the High
comparison
Court
to us,
record,
we are the-
honorable bench records the submissions after expressing its opinion in paragraph 18 of the committee. Pursuant to the directions issued by pursuant to the directions issued on we have mentioned that on 19/5/2026 the state has filed an affidavit where
Commission.
it is argued that the exclusion of the contempt petitioner has occurred because of a particular interpretation system. Whether such an interpretation is made for the first time or not is to be considered by the said bench which had issued notice. We request the registry to place the matter before the bench in which one of the learned
24 more
honorable
pleas.
judges, Justice Chandorkar, is part of it. We'll complete this. Let this matter be placed. Next week, लगाने के लिए registry को बोलना. Sir, we are asking it to be placed from our side. At least both of us are very clear in our mind that we are trying to evade it.
I have a suggestion because your lordships are placing it there on these two arguments being made by them. Your lordship may record these two arguments are made by them. That's why you're placing it because this has come here twice. So two arguments, one on 60%, the other on 2012.
Fair, I guess, because it is indicated.
It's all right.
I think that we should not be indicating more than that. What is your problem, Rahul? But why did they just check up? Why did they just check up? उसका भी लगा देते हैं इनका भी कहीं लगा जाए
नया वाला is it here?
इसका भी ना even this application for the same position.
There are issues slightly different. I also just add.
नहीं yours is because it can't be fractured. I say one petition here and two petitions here. Yes. In this, I think, for the reason of the new specific direction to file an affidavit and then it has come, one of the judge being there.
Very well.
Very
Grateful.
Yes. We will have it. We will say that posted next week.
Next week. Next week is only 2 days, then we'll get
Okay, week thereafter.
a week thereafter. Next.
Okay, Kumar, they will also first have to take instructions of Chief Justice to do it.
Next.
Leave it.